Friends, all of these designs are extremely easy to make, and this video collection of very beautiful color combination hand embroidery design ideas is an absolutely attractive thing for hand embroidery beginners, for the persons who are in search of finding some new creative, unique and very beautiful embroidery patterns. So friends, I have a request to you which is very simple and very easy to fulfill. That is, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe right now, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Friends, with all your love, your support, your continuous positive and loving feedback about our content, we have been able to reach a remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. So keep spreading our content with your friends and family members. Keep sharing and keep showering your love like you always have been, so that we could grow up into a larger and a larger number of YouTube friends and family members with each and every rising day. And please do make a habit of leaving comments below my videos so that I could get to know what you feel about my content and what you want me to share with you on daily basis. With this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Kindly watch my video till end, and if you have watched my video till end, then do visit my channel and watch different playlists like hand embroidery designs, mehndi designs, bedsheet designs, dress design ideas, party wear dresses, footwear, baby girl dress designing ideas, and each and everything related to the women fashion world. So stay tuned for my next upcoming videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves. Jazakallah for watching.